Whether it's for police, fire, or EMS, the next company we visited is responsible for providing some of the most cost-effective, high-quality vehicle conversions in the world. Come with us to Haskell, New Jersey and meet 1075 Emergency Vehicles. Founded in 2006, 1075 Emergency Vehicles was created with one goal: provide functional, reliable, and reasonably priced emergency vehicles.
1075 Emergency Vehicles is a single-source manufacturer of emergency vehicles for police, fire, EMS, and the public works sector. We also manufacture products that are sold to emergency services and other upfitters that are able to help their business grow and provide organization and other storage options for them. What makes 1075 unique is that we are emergency service personnel. We are policemen, we are firemen, we are EMTs. We understand how scenes can get complex and how your vehicle may serve a different purpose than somebody else's. And us being able to understand you, we're able to help build your vehicle around you and tailor that vehicle so that it suits you and you're able to complete your mission.
One thing you can always count on is 1075's ability to provide truly amazing, dependable services.
1075 is a single-source emergency vehicle provider. What that means is that we build your vehicle to your spec in-house. We design the cabinetry with you, we take that cabinetry design, we sit down with you from the time you spec it out, to the time you sign off on the drawings, to the time you get the vehicle of your dreams. So we design the vehicle around the customer. We don't do a cookie cutter program.
With the goal of providing the highest level of safety, appearance, and purpose, 1075 exceeds customer expectations thanks to their amazing and dedicated staff.
1075's amazing and dedicated staff not only put time and effort and dedication into their community, but they also put time and dedication into each and every vehicle that leaves our facilities. These vehicles show the time and dedication and care that they put into it as they would build their own vehicle. That quality shows in the final product and what makes us superior to our competitors.
Always exceeding their customers' expectations, 1075 Emergency Vehicles is one of the world's greatest.